Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound issues in Battlefield 6, including crackling, distorted, or popping audio on your PC. Whether you're frustrated because you can't hear the game properly, or you simply want to enjoy clear, smooth audio while playing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Once you're in the Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, and then select Sound. This is where you can manage all your audio devices. So make sure to follow along carefully. To make the process smoother, check that your microphone is properly connected and that no other apps are blocking access to it. Doing this beforehand can prevent common audio problems and save you time troubleshooting later. Select your speakers or headset, and again click Set Default. After that, test the audio in Battlefield 6 to confirm that the crackling, distortion, or popping sounds are gone. It's also a good idea to adjust the levels and disable any enhancements under Properties to ensure the cleanest audio possible. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix sound problems in Battlefield 6 and enjoy clear, uninterrupted audio while gaming. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If this helped, don't forget to share it with a friend who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?